Going viral, the secret sauce of internet fame. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a tasty topic that's been spicing up the internet: viral recipe. Stick with us as we uncover what makes a recipe not just delicious, but a sensation across the web. In the digital world, viral refers to something that becomes extremely popular online in a short period of time. Imagine a video, image, or in our case, a recipe, spreading across the internet like a fast-moving virus. That's going viral. A viral recipe is a food recipe that has gained immense popularity on social media. It's the kind of dish that everyone seems to be talking about and trying at home. These recipes often have a few things in common: simplicity, easy to make with accessible ingredients; uniqueness, a creative twist that stands out; visual appeal, looks as good as it tastes, perfect for sharing pictures online; shareability, it's so good that everyone wants to share it with friends. Remember the dalgona coffee or the feta pasta that took over your social media feeds? Those are perfect examples of viral recipes. They were simple, looked great on camera, and everyone seemed to be making them. It's not just about the food. It's about community and connection. When a recipe goes viral, people from all over the world can share their experiences making and enjoying the dish. It becomes a shared moment in a vast digital landscape. We hope this video helps you understand the flavorsome world of viral recipes. They're not just meals, they're a culinary phenomenon that brings people together. Until our next delicious discussion, happy cooking and happy learning.